Good morning, sir. I am Yelna Vinayak from CSM B section. Today's my topic is Principle and Application of HPLC Chromatography. The contact introduction, principle, types of chromatography, instruments of HPLC. Why are you using HPLC? Advantage and disadvantage, application, conclusion. The topics to discuss about. The first thing, introduction. Introduction means high performance liquid chromatography. HPLC is a process of separating components in a liquid mixture. The principle, high performance liquid chromatography HPLC is based on the principle of absorption as well as partition chromatography. It is depending on the nature of stationary phase. Its stationary phase is solid principle. It is based on absorption chromatography, and if stationary phase is liquid principle, it is based on partition chromatography. It is important for determination of violet and non-violet compounds. It is important for determination of quantitative and quantitative analysis. It is important for determination of retention time. Ah, Principles of liquid chromatography. Column containing stationary phase, load sample, add solvent, collate components. The types of chromatography was five types based on modes of chromatography. Based on modes of chromatography means various chromatography methods have been developed to that end. Some of them include column chromatography, this thin layer chromatography, TLC paper chromatography, gas chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, gel permission chromatography, high pressure liquid chromatography, and affinity chromatography. The second one based on principle of separation. Separation exploit differences in chemical properties of physical properties such as size, shape, mass, density, or chemical affinity between the constituents of a mixture. Processes are often classified according to the particular properties they employ to achieve separation based on exclusion technique. Chromatographic technique that works on similar principle includes reverse phase partition liquid partition and thin layer chromatography. The fourth one based on scale of operation. Chromatography is based on the principle where molecules in mixture applied into the surface into the solid and fluid stationary phase stable phase is separating from each other while moving with the aid of a mobile phase. The last one based on the type of analysis. Chromatography is based on the interaction between the solute molecules and active sites on the stationary phase. This attachment or interaction depends on the polarity of solutes. This technique proves the statement that polar like polar. High performance liquid chromatography with instruments of HPLC with examples number one solvent, pump, injector, HPLC Kalman, detector, PLC. HPLC, why we are using HPLC? Examples simultaneous analysis, high resolution, high sensitivity, good repeatability, moderate analysis condition, easy to fractionate, purify, not destructive. The chromatography advantages, it is simple, rapid, and reproducible. It is high sensitive. It is having high resolution and suppression capability, high performance, rapid process, and hence time saving. It is important for quantity and quantity analysis. It is used for both analytical and preparative purpose. The disadvantages of chromatography, high cost, high quality components are needed. The solvents and columns used to HPLC are expensive. Research and development cost is more. Safety said software is required for data analysis. The applications of HPLC with examples water purification, environmental application, Fournier chemistry, detection of impurities in pharmaceutical industries, drug discovery, clinical test, cosmetic analysis, diagnostic studies. The conclusion, the HPLC, therefore high performance liquid chromatography, is widely used for separation of molecules in biological, pharmaceutical, food, environmental and industrial process. Thank you, sir.